Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about these contact lenses from Desio, so without further ado let's go into the demonstration. So there you guys go, that's what the lenses look like on my eyes without any makeup. I always like to do these videos without any makeup so it doesn't distract from the lenses. Sometimes certain colours can kind of enhance certain tones in the lenses. I really just wanted to keep it just to the lens today. If you guys are new to coloured contact lenses or have never heard about Desio, Desio is one of those brands that's really specialised in contact lenses for dark coloured eyes. I have been a fan of their lenses for ages. It's been a while since I've actually tried any of their lenses. I did purchase this myself and I have to say the delivery was very quick. Let's get up close and personal. So I'm currently wearing Wild Green and the other shade that I was wearing is Romantic Blue. So these are from the Attitude range number 2, I believe. I don't know, I get confused with the collection. There's so many lenses out there now from Desio. I'm obsessed, I can't wait to try out the others, but let's talk about this particular shade. So this one again is Wild Green. When I saw different people wear this lens tend to look a little bit different. Like some people it looked a little bit more like a grey green, for some people it looked more like a blue green. For me, I feel like it looks like a true sort of like yellow green on me. Regardless of what shirt I'm wearing, I just feel like with my complexion, my hair color, it just makes it look more like a yellow green, which I'm obsessed about. I usually don't like greens unless they're like a blue green, but this is the first time I've actually fallen in love with a yellow green shade. If you guys are familiar with the original Desio lenses, they have sort of like a gradient effect from the center out to the colored bit, whereas this, I feel like it's pretty much just color and then a cutout for your pupil, and then there is a subtle limbal ring on the outer corner. If you guys don't know what a limbal ring is, it's basically sort of like, I'd like to say the lines. I'd like to say the line between the white part and the colored bit. It's not exactly black. I'd like to say it's sort of like a dark green, which is a beautiful effect on the eyes. It's definitely not one of those contact lenses that I would say looks very natural on most people, but I feel like, you know, if you wear the right sort of like makeup, you can kind of like maybe blend it out a little bit better into your natural features, but it is a stunning color nonetheless. My thoughts and opinions pretty much are the same with Romantic Blue. It's a very similar sort of like vibe. I find that it looks absolutely beautiful, and especially when you're wearing makeup, but in person it doesn't look very natural, but nonetheless a beautiful shade. Now let's talk about longevity and comfort for these lenses. Now I do believe these are quarterly lenses, meaning that they only last for 3 months. Now in terms of comfort, they're not the most comfortable coloured contact lenses I've ever worn, but that being said, I am getting older and my eyes are getting drier, so they're not as, I suppose, tolerant of me wearing lenses throughout the day, so keep that in mind, but I do find I can wear it for at least 6 to 8 hours comfortably without really using eye drops too much. Like I might have to do it once or twice here and there, but nothing too major, to be honest. In terms of it slip and sliding around the eyes, I do find that when you first pop them on, much like any other contact lens, it does kind of shift around and it does take a few minutes for it to kind of like settle in one spot. I don't really feel like it moves too much throughout the day. I don't feel like I've got any tunnel vision with this particular lens. I do find that the pupil size is pretty decent. It's not the smallest, but it's definitely up there. I feel like the smallest pupil size I've ever tried are from Solotica. Those ones are really good. They're really small, but they're not too small that you get you don't get like that tunnel vision. I have tried out lenses that have given me tunnel vision. Like they look amazing, but I just look like I'm like on something all day. I mean, there's nothing really else much to say about these lenses. They are stunning. I absolutely am obsessed with them. I cannot wait to try out more lenses from the range. If you guys would like to see more contact lens reviews from me, definitely check out the description box down below. I've got a couple linked down there. Otherwise, I'll have some linked on the screen as cards. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about these lenses. Have you guys tried them? What are your favorites and what you guys think I should try out next from Desio?